guys from The Thoughtful Gardener. Well, I am excited to tell you why I'm going to give these ranunculus a spa day. These are some of my most favorite bulbs to grow in the spring because they were in my wedding bouquet. That's how much I love these. They make a great cut flower and they look a lot like roses. So if you're a rose fan, you're going to love ranunculus. Now they come shipped like this. They look like little dried squid or octopus, and they need to be rehydrated before you're going to plant them. Now, I'm in zone 7B, and we get routinely in the winter below 25, so these cannot go out in the fall. If you're an 8 or 10, you can put these out in the fall, but for us that get cold in the winter, it's not ideal because they can potentially freeze, thaw, and then rot. So what I do is pre-sprout them, and what that means is that you're going to soak these for 3 to 4 hours. I have a bowl going right here, repurposing a bubbler from my cat's fountain, and we're going to let them soak for 3 to 4 hours, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This one is not been soaked, and I'm going to show you how it looks after it's been soaked. That's going to help it get growing. We'll put it in clean potting soil, and then we're going to be putting it in the sunlight, and that way 50 to 60 degrees down in my basement. It should be very perfect for ideal growing conditions. Once we're above 50 degrees, we can put them outside. They are an early spring bloomer and you're going to love them. So I encourage you to get some bulbs and give this a try. Garden thoughtfully and take care.